Hey! What's up mga partners for today's video? Siyempre magbabattle tayo. Singing battle daw ngayon. Kaya panoorin ito mula umpisa hanggang
dulo. So watch this!
So yun guys, ano kami?
So ayun na.
Mag-scorean nyo kami kung sino yung kung sino
Wala.
yung
0-0.
kung sino yung i-vote nyo sa amin. Vote wisely. Kaya ito na, singing contest na tayo. Kaya this is it, Pansy. Jackie. Jackie ang puta.
DJ Paul Bigata Remix. She on the list of
So ito guys, gagawin natin yung yung nagte-trending ngayon na kanta ni Greg. Ni Greg Heffley sa TikTok, singing niya. So, gawin natin kung kaya natin yung trending. And I'm blind-eyed, every now and then I fall apart. And I need you know tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever.
Ba't ganyan?
Parang multo. Parang
Hindi ganyan. Masyado masakit sa tenga.
parang si Miss Minchin.
Masyado masakit sa tenga yung ganyang voice.
So, kailangan gandahan to.
Oo.
Oh, sige nga, ikaw nga.
Wala talaga to.
Oh, yabang.
Paano tayo
Yabang. Sige. Ako magaling lang. Magaling lang kasi ako sumayaw eh.
Tuturuan ko siya guys ng totoong pag-awit.
Yung pag-awit yan, awit.
Wait lang guys. Kailangan kinukuha mo na kasi yung voice. Ganito kasi yan guys, di ba? Kailangan kinukuha mo natin yung voice natin sa diaphragm.
Sa appendix niya. Sa gallbladder.
Gaganon, di ba? Ito yan. Turn around, bright eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. And I need you now tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever. Ba't kasi? Ano? Pwede ba? Masyado mo mataas.
Ang sakit guys. Damang-dama mo. Ang sakit sa tenga.
Damang-damay sakit.
Damang-dama yung sakit.
Medyo lang.
Di ba si biritera ka?
Medyo low lang dapat. Try ko na yung medyo low. So, ganito guys. Turn around, bright eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. And I need you now tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever. Eh, di ba? Ang ganda sa tenga.
Turn around, bright eyes.
Every now and then I fall apart.
And I need you know tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever. Yeah, pagdugtungan mo yung forever.
And it only be making it right. Cause we never need us. They never get it, can it, na. Na 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 na. ko alam yung lyrics sa yung sumunod. I really need it tonight. Na, 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 na. Once upon a time, I was falling in love.
Once upon a time, I was falling so much.
And now it's apart. There's nothing I can say. A total eclipse of the heart. Hindi alam yung lyrics eh.
Mali lyrics eh. No?
O yan.
Makanta lang natin ng ng 18.00%.
Wala pa na tayo. Magaling natin kumawit, no?
And I need you now tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever. Stop. CPR. Contestant number 2. Yan. Abangan yung contestant number 2 natin. Iskuran nyo Vote for
Iskuran.
Vote wisely. Ano ba?
Ito na. Okay na. Like your eyes, you look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples on the corners of the smile that you wear. I like you more than the world may know, but don't be scared. Cause I'm all in deeper, baby, be prepared. I like your shirt, like your fingers, love the way that you smell. To be your favorite jacket, just so I could always be there. I love you for so long, sometimes it's hard to bear. But after all this time, I hope you wait and see.
Contestant number
2.
2. Vote nyo Kasi vote wisely. Para hindi tayo tingnan nyo kung kahanta o sasayaw. Sasayaw eh. Diba?
Ano, may kahanta ka pa? Ano ba kakantayin mo?
Ito, hindi ko kahanta. I knew the pathway like the back.
The
yun,
So,
tapos
ayun
na
na.
guys. Wala
Natapos
kami
na
maisip
rin.
na ano, kundi paligsahan na lang kami.
Wala na nang magawa namin. Wala na kayong maisip.
Paligsahan na lang. So yun, boto niyo kung sinong magaling. Diba? Libre lait. Diba? Libre lait naman yan guys.
Yeah.
Kaya,
Okay, laitin nyo kami mula
laitin niyo lang
Mula
mula
ulang
umpisa
hanggang-
hanggang dulo.
ulo hanggang paa.
Mula ulo hanggang paa. Kaya sino iboboto nyo? Diba? Kaya
Bahala na. Basta panoorin nyo na.
Oo. Sa mga nanood mula umpisa hanggang dulo, thank you very much. At syempre, kung
Wala
hindi
na
ka
kami
pa
magawa
nakasubscribe, subscribe ka na. At syempre, huwag mo kalimutan na i-click ang notification bell button para laging update sa mga bagong video na upload na.
Yeah. At sa mga nag-subscribe na, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye!
Hanggang sa muli. Salamat. Bye-bye. Sama daw siya. Yay! Sama daw siya. Umiyak siya. Hindi daw siya sinama. Ang bagong gupit na baby.
Bye!
Bye-bye.